In early 1993, then President Frederick Chiluba of Zambia led the nation in prayer during a requiem mass for Zambian players killed in a plane crash.
O God of Abraham, God of Isaac, and God of Jacob, God of those that fear you.
The moving prayer earned Chiluba glory beyond the borders. He was seen as a godly leader who would lead Zambia to prosperity by inculcating integrity in leadership. Little did Zambians know that Chiluba was a hypocrite and a corrupt thug who hid behind religion and spirituality to smartly execute plunder of national resources. Upon exiting office in 2002, he was in 2003 charged alongside senior officials in his government, with 168 counts with the theft of over $40 million. In May 2007, he was found guilty of stealing $46 million by a UK court. In May 2008, the Zambian government announced that it had recovered nearly $60 million in money and assets allegedly stolen during Chiluba's presidency. Chiluba's wife Regina was arrested in 2006 for allegedly receiving stolen money and property from Chiluba during his reign. Zambians were shocked to the core upon realizing that the so-called godly man could perpetrate the massive theft. A similar situation is unfolding in Kenya. One of the front-runners in 2022 presidential election is Mr. William Ruto, who, for lack of a better term, is a reincarnate of Zambia's Chiluba. Mr. Ruto is always seen in churches giving donations, and is fond of quoting Bible verses to tell off his opponents and seek sympathy among voters.
Let's bow our heads and pray.
Behind Mr. Ruto's veil of religiosity, however, is a man with an insatiable appetite for looting public coffers, which has earned him the label of the High Priest of Corruption. Some of the scandals he is linked to are the Maze scandal, Westin Hotel land theft, and Arar and Kimwera Dam scandal. He is also accused of perpetrating violence against the Kikuyus in 2007, which saw women and children burned alive inside a church in Eldoret. Like Chiluba, Mr. Ruto is praying in the public to conceal his stealing. One can only hope that Kenyans can see through this hypocrisy before it's too late.